it's Miss Jessica. For those of you who don't know me, I work at the Dakota Lodge, and I wanted to share with you what I have been doing during this stay-at-home time. I have been doing a little bit of paint pouring. You can see a couple examples that are behind me. I have some tiles and I have some canvases. So today I am going to show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is pick anywhere between 3 and 5 colors of acrylic paint. I already have 3 colors right here mixed up, and I have chosen 2 more. You want to take each color and put it into your plastic cup. Let's say probably about that much. You're gonna add your next color. My colors are almost empty, so you gotta work extra hard. After I get the amount of paint that I want there, I take something special called Florentine. This is going to help give our paint a nice consistency, because we're not going to be able to pour it if our paint is too thick. Take the Florentine and you put just about as much Florentine on top of the paint as you did the paint. You take it and you want to mix it around and stir it up. As you can see, it's not as smooth as this mixture right here. You want to make sure that it's smooth and dripping right off your popsicle stick. So I'm going to keep stirring, and I think I probably need to add just a little bit more to it. There we go. Getting a little bit better. I think we'll still add just a little bit more. All right, let's get this one mixed up. Just a little bit more. Keep ourselves mixing. I think that looks pretty good. The next thing you're going to want to do is take an empty cup and start mixing your colors together. You don't want to mix them all at once. You kind of want it to be layered like a cake. So I'm going to take the purple and the orange, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit of blue. Maybe some yellow. I already have some white mixed up here. I think I'm going to add a little white in there. And you want to fill your cup of mixed paint just about halfway full. You want to make sure that you're going to have enough paint to cover your canvas. And maybe a little bit more blue. Once you've got a cup full of paint, what you're going to do is take a special lubricant. It's silicone, 100% silicone, and that's what's going to help you create these cells. You can see the circle cells in this picture, some of them over here in this picture. That's what gives you the cells. You take it, you only want a couple drops, so don't do this, you just want to do a little bit like that. Then you're going to take your stick, and you don't want to stir this up mixing it all the way up, just maybe a little bit, just like that. After you do that, it's time to get the paint onto your canvas. That's going to be a little tricky. You want to make sure you have mom and dad to help you with this one. You're going to take your canvas, turn it completely upside down. You want to make sure you have a pretty good grip on your cup and your canvas, and you're going to take it and you're going to turn your cup upside down. Go ahead and set it back in the tray you're working with, and you want to let your paint try to drip out. I'm going to say give it about 2 minutes or so, and then you'll be ready to lift up your cup and finish the rest. All right, after you've waited your 2 minutes, you're going to take your cup and you're going to slowly pull the cup up. As you can see, all of the paint is now going to drip onto the canvas. You might want to take your stick and maybe stir your leftover cup. You get it out here, pour a little over there, scrape all that paint out of there. Ooh, it looks like we already have a lot of cells developing in this one. This could be a good one. You need to take your canvas and you're gonna start rotating it. So we make sure that all of the edges are getting covered. I'm gonna roll it back this way a little bit. And then you're gonna just kind of let it set. Once you've gotten everything colored. Kind of just turning it around, making sure I keep it over my work surface so I don't make a big mess. You can help the paint along by just maybe dabbing it with your finger. Just keep turning it. I like to make sure all my edges are covered. All right, friends, there you have it. That is how you paint pour. You want to let your paint canvas dry for probably at least 24 hours before you go to do anything with it. If you move it around while it's drying, it is going to change what you've already created here. So I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I really miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good day.